how to add the reminders widget to the lock screen on the iPhone. First, let's return back to your lock screen by pressing on the side button. On the lock screen, touch and hold. Then we go down and tap on the Customize button. From here, we tap on the widget panel. Then we scroll down and tap on Reminders. In here, you want to tap on the Reminders list widget, and that will be added to the widget panel. Now tap on the widget to select your list. So you got today's schedule, flag, or you can select your own custom list. So here, if you want to display the shopping list, you can tap on that and then tap on the close button. And then tap on a spot up here, then tap on done, and then tap on a blank spot. Okay, so if you have any new items that need to be completed, it will show in the list here. Otherwise, it shows your list is completed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.